Now here you're solving SATs, ne? Meaning at the end you need to test your answer at the end. So what you need to do now, you need to remove this SAT form or this square root here. You remove it by squaring both sides, and then just like this, just like that. So after doing this side you just get 2 minus x. This side you'll just have to simplify. Right hand side is just the same as that. Now continue just like that, and then bring everything to the left hand side or to the right hand side, and then it will be like this, just like that. Now further simplify, means like now you can simplify by factorizing. Said you will have a -1 and -2, and then your roots is just x is equals to 1, and then s is equals to 2. Now test. Now testing, you need to come and replace your values here back, and on x you should get the same values on the right hand side as well as on the left hand side. Okay, this is left and then this is right. Okay, now here replace here with the what? Okay, let's start. Replace here with the 1. When you replace with the 1, it will say 2 minus what? 2 minus 1, and then the square root of 1 will just give you a what? A 1. And then replace here with the 1, it will just give you 1 minus a 2. It will just give you what? A negative what? Negative 1. Meaning the left hand side and the right hand side are not equal. Now come and replace with the 2. Say 2 minus what? 2 minus a 2 here. To say 2 minus a 2, which is a 0, and then also and then the square root of 0 is just a 0, and then 2 here, it will also give you 2 minus a 2, which gives you a 0. It means like now the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. Then this is your answer, and then this is not your answer. This not part of the solution, this one.